Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that RSS3 token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, RSS3 is a decentralized protocol that acts as the open information layer, indexing and structuring chaotic data from blockchains, social media and the open web into a unified machine readable format for AI agents and applications, solves data fragmentation. It structures disparate on-chain and off-chain information into a single interoperable standard, replacing manual integration. Decentralized structure. A network of nodes indexes the open web, ensuring data remains open, accessible, and censorship resistant. AI-ready data layer. Powered AI agents prediction markets and DeFi with real-time structured context from across the digital landscape. RSS3 project institution rating is 3.9. RSS3 token total supply is 1.05 billion and circulating supply is around 929.61 million RSS3 token. RSS3 token is listed on Gate.io, Bithumb and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.